Urgent, weather message, National Weather Service Huntsville AL, 4:25 p.m. CST Sunday, December 24, 2023. Lauderdale-Colbert-Franklin, AL-Lawrence-Limestone-Madison-Morgan, Marshall, Jackson, DeKalb, Cullman, Moore, Lincoln, Franklin, TN, including the cities of Florence, Muscle Shoals, Sheffield, Tuscumbia, Russellville, Red Bay, Moulton, Town Creek, Athens, Huntsville, Decatur, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, Arab, Scottsboro, Fort Payne, Rainsville, Cullman, Lynchburg, Fayetteville, Winchester, Sewanee, Decherd, Estill Springs, and Cowan. 4:25 p.m. CST Sunday, December 24, 2023. Wind advisory in effect from midnight tonight to noon CST Monday. Watt. Southeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to around 40 miles per hour expected, where portions of north central, northeast and northwest Alabama and southern middle Tennessee, wind. From midnight tonight to noon CST Monday, winds will decrease from west to east after sunrise. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects including outdoor decorations. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Precautionary preparedness actions. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects, and